what's up? It's a beautiful day. I know I need to do these pulleys. That cold start. They pulley stopping. But today we're going to the gym and we're gonna vacuum the car out. God damn, I need to do so much work to this car to get it perfect. Not like crazy, insane amount of work, but just enough to where it's irritating. We're gonna drop the top today because it's under. We are now out of the 100-degree days. Shout out Oregon Ducks for smacking Penn State yesterday. Well, we didn't smack them, but we got the dub, and that's all that matters. A W's a W. Might wash the car. I need to wash the car. I need to clay bar the car. I need to do a lot of stuff. But first, we're gonna start off with the health. Gym. All right, just got done with the gym. And we are going to go and clean the inside. At least vacuum it. Got a 430i next to me, hardtop coupe, convertible, and a 320i right here. Some old guy in this white one. Yeah, he's been in a wreck. Got some dents and shit. All right, we got it all vacuumed out, nice and clean. And I didn't wash it. Oh, I'm gonna wash it at home. I'm gonna go to AutoZone right now. I've got a $20 credit and see what they've got as for wash kits and stuff. So, catch you at the zone. All right, so we're back at home a few hours later. This is what I ended up picking up. Got the chemical guys, 10-piece wash and shine. And then I went to Walmart, Chunks of Mess, and got some drying towels. So, I'm gonna be washing the car. Cause it's dirty. Dirty girl. Alright, so the boys helped me. We got it washed. We got wheels done. Looking pretty nice. Pretty clean. I mean, there's still a couple of spots that we missed. A couple of spots the boys touched, and I keep finding like extra dings and shit and didn't see, but it's pretty clean. I ain't mad at that chemical guy's solution. I'm getting some haze on the sunroof, or getting some haze on the roof too. I need to clear coat it, like I said, I'm gonna clay bar it, and I got that strip wash chemical guys also. But you see the clouds and the reflection. looking clean.